I acted inexcusably, for which I am extremely sorry and deeply regret. I hurt others, including my family and close friends, Josh Duggar said in a statement at the time. Scandals continued to follow the former reality star. Just a few months later, it was revealed he was a paying user on the infidelity-seeking website Ashley Madison between 2012 and 2015. Duggar, a Christian, had married his wife, Anna, in 2008 and, at the time of the Ashley Madison revelation, they had 4 children together. While espousing faith and family values, I have secretly over the last several years been viewing pornography on the internet, and this became a secret addiction and I became unfaithful to my wife, Duggar said. I fully take responsibility for my actions, Teresa Judas said after her sentencing. I need to learn to take responsibility for myself. He was released from prison in September 2019. It's not even business, it's just nothing. I don't know what to call it, he said. Woods later addressed the scandal on Jada Pinkett Smith's Red Table Talk, saying, on the way out, he did kiss me. No passion, no tongue kiss, no making out, no nothing. I was in shock. I was like, let me just pretend that didn't happen. The drama was addressed on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Tristan already knew what was up and there was nothing else he could do but confirm it, Khloe said during a confessional. And I got my questions answered. I was getting more details that everyone left and Jordan still stayed. That she was sitting on his lap in a chair, they were all over each other, they were handsy, they made out. It's disgusting. She said, we hung out multiple times, we went out together, everything, in January after Thompson told her he was single. She also claimed Thompson texted her. The couple started dating in January 2016, announced their engagement that April, and shared the news in May that they were expecting their first child together. After the couple split for good in 2017, Rob Kardashian also posted revenge pornography of China, whose given name is Angela Renee White, leading to his ban from Instagram. Since then, his Instagram account has been exclusively run by Kris Jenner Communications. At the taping of the After the Final Rose special for James season, Kirkconnell publicly apologized for the second time. The first was on her social media and spoke directly to James. It was revealed that despite leaving the show in a relationship, the two had parted ways so that Kirkconnell could put in the work she needed to do. As many of you know, this is the season of Paradise, where it looked like it might not happen. After 2 days of shooting, we decided to suspend production. Yes, there was trouble in Paradise as accusations and allegations ran wild. It was an extraordinary and emotional time for our cast and all of our crew, including myself, host Chris Harrison said in the premiere episode of the season. According to multiple news outlets, a sexual encounter occurred between Olympios and Jackson while her judgment was impaired after drinking alcohol. The incident was caught on camera, which led to some wondering whether the show would exploit the incident for ratings. ABC and producer Warner Horizon confirmed that an investigation into allegations of misconduct was underway as a result of a third-party complaint. Chris Soules landed in hot water when he was involved in a fatal car accident in April 2017. A man did die and that was a tragedy. My sentence is living with this for the rest of my life. The sentence is replaying that moment standing there on the pavement and walking up to a man that wasn't breathing, knowing I was involved in that. That's the sentence that I've been given, he said. Hartley later appeared to address the story, while not naming stars or the reality show's depiction of events by name. While the hit weight loss show, Biggest Loser, is no stranger to criticism, fans were shocked in 2013 when celebrity coach Jillian Michaels was reprimanded for giving her team caffeine supplements without a doctor's permission.